everyone, I'm Kathy Hattori, President of Botanical Colors, and I'm going to talk to you about the Botanical Colors Beginner's Dye Kit. This kit is a collection of full-sized packages of our most popular dyes, as well as mordants, assists, full instructions, and 5 cotton bandanas. So everything is in this kit. It's sustainable, it's non-toxic, and it's really easy to use. So we'd like to invite you to give it a try. The reason that we love this kit is that we believe that it gives you a great base level of information so that you can start looking around you and seeing what's out there in the wild world of nature that could be potentially creating beautiful color for you. So as you're walking the dog and you notice an interesting leaf, or if you're growing something in a dye garden, or even a regular garden, or even just peeling an onion, there are colors there that are at your fingertips that you can use. So give this kit a try. We have online resources as well as a written instruction booklet that comes with it. And I think you're going to find that you're going to be able to achieve beautiful color on all sorts of different natural fabrics and begin your journey in natural dyes. Thanks so much.